Welcome to our live stream announcement. Hello, my name is Chris Neeram. I'm the CEO of Building Designers Association of Australia, known as the BDAA, representing designers and thermal performance assessors from around Australia. And I'm thrilled to announce that AWS, Architectural Window Systems, is the new major partner of the BDAA. Today with me, I have Mr. Farzan Nagashane from AWS. Good morning, and how are you, Farzan?
Good morning, Chris. Thank you. I'm very well, and thank you, BDAA, for having us today. As you said, my name is Farzan from Architectural Window Systems, AWS. And can I say that we at AWS are very excited about this new major partnership with the BDAA.
Thank you, Farzan. And look, Farzan, a quick question for you. Where do you see the industry in 2022 from a supplier's perspective?
Sure. Well, as of 2022, as you know, the National Construction Code requires Class 1 and Class 2 buildings to have a 7-star rating, with gradual increases every 3 years until a target of zero energy and zero carbon ready buildings is achieved. Now, what this means for AWS is we will continue to focus and release new energy efficient products to market. This is what we excel at, actually. For example, Thermal Heart was ahead of its time when we released it in 2008. And Comfort Edge, which we released last year, that has amazing U values, style, and affordability. Our aim is to give building designers, architects, and builders the options to meet the increasing energy efficiency requirements as well as the style and budget. We don't want building designers and architects to have to compromise on natural light, considering that windows and doors are crucial in making a house feel like a home. So there's no doubt left for us that ensuring our windows and doors perform better is essential.
Awesome. It's really good to see. And Farzan, why are associations important to manufacturers?
Well, look, associations like the BDAA allows us to collaborate and understand the needs of building designers so we can design products that solve their problems. We take real pride in helping building designers select the right products for the specific projects they're designing. It's all in the detail, like how the windows and doors will interact with the building structure and designing components that are the right fit. Also, collaboration and education is the key to our ongoing partnership with the BDAA. What do you think, Chris? What is the BDAA's take on the industry from an association's point of view?
Well, the BDAA has seen an enormous growth in membership during the pandemic period, the largest growth in the 60 years that the BDAA has been in existence. Many members mentioning that they've never been so busy ever in their whole careers, which is fantastic. And it's really reassuring, I guess, with the construction sector. And the construction activity in Australia generates some $23.53 billion worth of income demand for this sector, so equivalent to around 12% of the domestic output. So it's fantastic to see this growth, and we know how important the construction industry is to the Australian economy.
Sure. And what about AWS? What is about AWS to think and its products that members love the most so that we can develop on that section and criteria?
There's so many aspects of the relationship that we have with AWS that, members really do appreciate. And some of these are, that the relationships with industry partners are so important to the ability for our designs and thermal performance assessors to be able to go direct to people like AWS, to their technical team, to be able to provide advice on the most appropriate window and door system. Now, the problem is that every project is different. And as we know, there's so many variances such as local climatic conditions, as well as regulations such as bushfire, that will depict the appropriate window and door selections. So with such a critical service, as we know windows and doors are, and being such a huge percentage of the overall building envelope, it is so important to have people like AWS and their technical team on hand for our designers and thermal performance assessors to make sure they actually select the right product for each project.
Absolutely. That's great to know.
And look, Farzan, the relationship with AWS has been there for a long time, much longer than when I've been with the association. I think it's more than 15 years that they've been a partner. Now, stepping up to the major partners, it's massive. It's the first major partner of the BDAA, and we're really looking forward to this relationship. And the quality I guess of your products, and the customer service is second to none. And I know when I look at the products, it's like when you've got a European car and you close that door as opposed to a cheaper brand car. When you close and you hear the ping, it's the same with the door. You know you've got that seal, you know you've got protection for your family from the elements and also dangers such as bushfires. So it's really important. And look,
sure. And
we really, really appreciate it. So look, thanks very much for tuning in, everyone. Thank you, Fazan. We look forward to a prosperous and I guess a long-lasting relationship, and may this continue for many, many more years to come. So thank you all for, I guess, tuning in today. Thank you, Fazan. Thank you for AWS becoming our major partner, and we look forward to seeing you all very soon.
Thank you.